Healthiogis presents your bitter melon for diabetes. Bitter melon or gourd can naturally increase the body's ability to utilize glucose, so it is best suitable for type 2 diabetes with insulin resistance. What is bitter melon? Bitter melon or Mammardicus charanta is a tropical and subtropical vine, widely grown in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean for its edible fruit, which is the most bitter of all fruits. The plant bears yellow flowers. Fruits have a distinct warty exterior of oblong shape. A thin fleshy layer is surrounding a central seed cavity having large flat seeds and pith. Bitter melon has been in use in traditional medicine systems for a long time for a variety of ailments, particularly stomach complaints. Bitter melon lower blood sugar level. Visin, charanin, and polypeptide PR present in bitter melon are responsible for its anti-diabetic properties. Together they increase insulin secretion, increase glucose uptake, glycogen synthesis in the liver, muscle and adipose tissue, improve glucose tolerance and decrease hepatic gluconeogenesis. Bitter melon lower heart diseases and strokes risk. Many experimental findings conclude that bitter gourd exhibits promising anti-diabetic activity. Its anti-hyperlipidemic effect could represent a protective mechanism against the development of atherosclerosis, especially in diabetic condition. Therefore, it is very much useful in the management of diabetes mellitus and other associated complications. Medicinal uses of bitter melon. The bitter gourd is specifically in use as a folk medicine for diabetes treatment. It contains a hypoglycemic or insulin-like principle, considered as plant insulin, which is highly beneficial in lowering the blood sugar levels. Being rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, B1, B2, C and iron, it prevents many complications such as hypertension, eye complications and neuritis. It possesses digestive, carminative, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, detoxification and blood purification properties. Effective for improve immunity, obesity, lipids, blood sugar and psoriasis. It protects heart, brain, liver, kidney and other vital organs of your body. Bitter melon can alleviate liver problems. Antimicrobial activities help heal wounds, improves energy and stamina, alleviate eye problems, nourish the liver, increase immunity and improve asthmatic condition. Bitter melon dosage. The typical dosage of bitter melon is 1 small, unripe, raw melon or about 50 to 100 milliliters of fresh juice, divided into 2 or 3 doses over the course of the day. The only problem is that it tastes extremely bitter. Our suggestion is that you should simply plug your nose and take a 2-ounce shot. Bitter melon availability. Bitter melon is commercially available as fresh fruits, dehydrated fruits, leaf powder or extracts. In addition, it is available as capsules for you to take easily. Bioactive constituents of bitter melon. Bitter melon has charanin on hydrolysis gives glucose in a sterol. The fruit pulp has galacturonic. Fruits contain glycosides, saponins, alkaloids, reducing sugars, resins, phenolic constituents, fixed oil, and free acids. The leaves of the bitter gourd have hypoglycemic activity comparable to tolbutamide. The protein termed sp-insulin extracted from the fruits in a crystalline form. Bitter melon has twice the calcium of spinach and potassium of bananas. The plant is rich in iron and zinc. The other minerals are phosphorus, sodium and magnesium. Vitamin C makes up 55% of total vitamins. The other vitamins are B9, B1, B2, B6, B3, B12, A, E, and K. There are carbohydrates, sugars, dietary fiber and protein as well. Possible side effects of bitter melon. As a widely eaten food in Asia, bitter melon is regarded as safe. Other very rare risks may include impaired fertility, liver inflammation, and spontaneous abortion. Bitter melon scientific evidence in diabetes control. A clinical study titled Antidiabetic and Adaptogenic Properties of Mammardicus charanta extract by Srivastava Y, Venkatakrishna Bhatt H, Verma Y, Venkaya K, published in Phyta Re 7, 285-289, 1993. Another clinical study titled Improvement in Glucose Tolerance Due to Mammardika Charantracarella by Leatherdale B.A., Painazar K., Singh G., Atkins T.W., Bailey C.J., Bignell A.H. published in British Medical Journal 282, 1823-1824, 1981. This two-controlled short-term metabolic trial in patients with type 2 diabetes has reported acute effects on blood glucose with Mammardika charantra fruit juice, as well as subcutaneous vegetable insulin extracts. Subscribe to our video channel for interesting videos and visit healthyojas.com for useful information on diabetes, cholesterol, high and low blood pressure, eye and sleep problems.